Shah's day 2 of Bengal visit. Shah's massive show of strength. Parivartan notice to Mamata. Tagore, temple and tug of war. After farmers, Shah's lunch with folk singer. TMC sees assault on Bengali culture. Shah's mission Bengal.
Has Home Minister Amit Shah signalled the beginning of a saffron surge in the state of Bengal? The battle for Bengal is our top focus on India Today. Before we get to our panelists from the BJP and the TMC on the show, let's start off with a primer on Amit Shah's day 2 in Bengal. He was in Birbhum, a TMC stronghold, held a massive roadshow in Bolpur and hit out at Mamata Banerjee on several fronts. Here's a detailed report.
Shah's massive show of strength on Mamata turf. On the second day of his Bengal visit, Shah was in Birbhum, holding a mega roadshow from Hanuman Mandir to Bolpur Circle, surrounded by a huge sloganeering crowd.
आज कहना चाहता हूं कि आज के जैसा रोड शो मैंने मेरे जीवन में नहीं देखा। और ये जो रोड शो दिखाई पड़ता है, वो बंगाल की जनता का जो ममता दीदी के प्रति गुस्सा है, उसको दिखाता है।
Home Minister Amit Shah has embarked on his roadshow here in Birbhum district in West Bengal. But which way are the winds blowing? We'll only find out in 2021.
Shah made a renewed Parivartan pitch, appealing to people to give BJP a chance to change Bengal.
बंगाल की जनता परिवर्तन करना चाहती है। ये परिवर्तन कोई एक व्यक्ति मुख्यमंत्री बदलने का परिवर्तन नहीं है। ये परिवर्तन जो होने जा रहा है बंगाल में, ये बंगाल के विकास के लिए परिवर्तन है, बंगाल को आगे बढ़ाना।
Hitting out at Mamata, Shah said it was time to end TMC's extortion and bullying.
परिवर्तन है, वो परिवर्तन बांग्लादेश से जो घुसपैठ होती है, वो घुसपैठ को रोकने के लिए। ये परिवर्तन है, वो परिवर्तन राजनीतिक हिंसा को समाप्त करने के लिए परिवर्तन है। और ये परिवर्तन है की दादागिरी समाप्त करने।
Earlier, Shah also visited family of Bengal's traditional folk singer community and had lunch at their house. He was treated with a performance by the folk singers.
ये देखिए, ये जनसैलाब इस बात का संदेश है कि ममता जी जा रही है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी आ रही है। ये जितने भी लोग हैं, इनका उत्साह, जोश जो देख रहे हैं आप, ये माफिया राज के खिलाफ है, ये ममता जी की सामंतशाही के खिलाफ है, ये ममता जी के सत्ता के अहंकार के खिलाफ है।
Shah's visit was high on symbolism. He began the day by visiting Vishwa Bharati University in Shantiniketan, where he paid floral tributes to Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, who founded the university with just 5 students nearly 100 years ago.
This is the power of people on the streets of Birbhum. Not just support to a party, but also ensuring that the massive crowd is signifying a lot many more things than what meets the eye. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Lohiwal in Veerbhum for India Today.
Let me take this across to our panelists. I have Priyanka Tibrewal of the BJP joining us on this broadcast. Also, Dr. Shantanu Sen of the TMC will be joining us in just a few minutes. Priyanka, starting off with you. Good evening. How confident are you of the BJP doing well in Bengal? You know, you've got Amit Shah clearly there tackling the bull by its horns, and that's why choosing to go ahead and hold this kind of a roadshow in Veerbhum. But will this translate to votes? Will this translate to a sweep, as Amit Shah says, of 200 plus seats in Bengal?
Everything. Video which you've just shown now, the reason is that they want change in Bengal now, and they very well know that this change is coming to, I mean, not too far. It's very soon the change is coming. See, because the people now want to uproot this TMC government, a government which was full of people who were running this syndicate culture. So now that they've had enough, see, the gruesome incidents we can't forget. The cruelty of this government, we cannot forget how people were hung on trees. So the entire Bengal has witnessed everything. Now it is high time. So the change is very, very obvious that the government of TMC is going and BJP is coming.
Okay, let me bring in Dr. Shantanu Sen of the TMC. Dr. Sen, thank you for joining us here on India Today. Is the TMC scared? Seeing the visuals, because Veerbhum is your stronghold, it's your bastion, and yet you see thousands of people coming together for Amit Shah's roadshow.
First of all, for my co-participant, this is to let her know that it's not so easy to uproot a very deep-rooted government nourished by the love and affection and full support of the people of the state. I was really shocked to listen to the press conference of our learned Union Home Minister. And I think he should be made the Vice Chancellor of a deemed University of Lies. It was a garbage of lies practically. I can point in each and every, I can counter each and every point of his with full data. Number one, he was talking about development. He was talking about GDP. India's GDP as of now, it is the lowest in last 23 years. And this is for your information, as per the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, West Bengal's economy status is much better than the national one. He was talking about literacy. The national literacy rate is 74.04%, when the literacy rate in West Bengal, it is 76.26%. He was talking about health. Does he know the global health index? So far the global health index is concerned, India ranks 102nd out of 170 countries. So does he know the level of India in global hunger index? In global hunger index, it is 94th position out of 107. He was talking about health. Does he know that West Bengal is the only state where
So let's get a response. Dr. Sen, you've listed out several examples. You're giving data to say that Bengal is doing better than India itself. Then nationally, Bengal is doing much better as a state. Priyanka, your response to that?
See, whatever Bengal is doing, that we have seen in the 9.5 years. If there is nothing, if everything is perfect, why are the people on the streets? Why do they want a change? That is visible in the videos which you've just shown. Because whatever he's saying, or wherever, what is the source of his data, he very well knows that. And what people of Bengal had to know from TMC, they have already learned that in 9.5 years. Whatever they say, whatever false promises they have made, people have watched that. See, not far away, people have seen that how through the chit funds, they have eaten the money of common poor people of Bengal, how they have cheated them. If not, then where is the money? Why was the Rose Valley there? What was the scam? What was there in the Sharda scam? Where is the money? Mamata Banerjee never speaks about the Sharda scam. She doesn't speak about that money. Why? That money belongs to poor people. And not just that, in each and every area, be it any constituency, everywhere the syndicate Raj is there, the Tolawadi Raj is there.
Corruption, Dr. Sen, is something that Amit Shah also brought up. Corruption is something Amit Shah also brought up. I also want your reaction to what Shah has said about how the TMC is a family-based party, how Mamata Banerjee only cares about the welfare of her family members, referring to her nephew.
First of all, I think I should respond my colleague. He was talking about cheat funds. This is for our information once again. And my request, before you come to any media, get prepared properly. This cheat fund was started during the left regime, and it is only Mamata Banerjee who caught Sudipta Sen from the border of Kargil, and she started giving money back. And most unfortunate part of the story is those who were found to be involved, now they are the assets of your party. Your door is open for those. So far the family party is concerned, I humbly want to know who Mr. Jai Shah is. How many days in his life he has played with a cricket bat? What is the Rajnath Singh's son is doing? What is Kailash Vijayavargiya's son is doing? But the total BJP team is only after one young dynamic leader, that is Mr. Abhishek Banerjee, the only family member in Mamata Banerjee's family who is an MP. Entire party has come to grab him.
No, Dr. Sen, before I get in a reaction from Priyanka on what you've said, let's also highlight here that it's not just Amit Shah who said this. Someone who was close to the TMC leadership, Shubhendu Adhikari, who's jumped ship, has also said the same thing. He's highlighted this yesterday about family politics within the TMC. Is this hurting the Trinamool Congress? Is this what's leading to rebellions?
It is absolutely ridiculous to listen these type of words from that person whom you are talking about. I will ask to go through the history of his family. How many members in that particular family are in a position given by government or party? I won't say much. And I would request my other colleague to count on that. Then only you come before media and start saying like this. Mamata Banerjee is absolutely a secular, pro-people, democratic character.
I'm giving you an answer. Wait.
Hello?
Yeah, go ahead, Priyanka.
Yes. So he was talking about some kind of information and preparations. Well, let me just ask him, the street where Abhishek Banerjee stays, how many properties and buildings are in the name of Abhishek Banerjee and Baban Banerjee and the other brother of Mamata Banerjee? More than half of the buildings in that street is registered under their name. The family is taking care of everything there. Most of the properties are belonging to
Yes. I simply recall those paper cuttings which is shown. What was the percentage of inflation of the income?
No, one second. Let's not. One second. Just hold on. Dr. Sen, Priyanka, hold on. We don't want to get into a scream battle here where the viewers can't understand what's happening.
No. I just recall those paper cuttings which has shown. What was the
one second. Dr. Sen, first, let's keep this civilized. Please. Dr. Sen, Priyanka, just hold on for a second. I want to keep this civilized. I want to ensure that this is an informative debate. So first, let's get in a response. Dr. Sen, to what Priyanka has said about how Abhishek Banerjee seems to be thriving now because of the political connections of his aunt.
First of all, again, I would like to recall those paper cuttings which have shown what was the rate of inflation of the income of the company of that particular person who is the son of Union
I will ask that question to Priyanka, sir. I will get an answer from Priyanka, but please answer the question I've asked.
Which question? Tell me once again. Come again, please.
About Mamata's nephew and how he seems to have power. Not just within the party, but otherwise.
Indispensable character of our party. Trinamool Congress goes by the ideology of only and only Mamata Banerjee, and no one wants to dislodge Mamata Banerjee in our party. Every single member obeys and every single member carries forward the guideline given by Mamata Banerjee. We go by the ideology of Mamata Banerjee and we will follow Mamata Banerjee. No one else is indispensable in our party. It is being camouflaged and it is being portrayed before the people that Abhishek Banerjee is being given the is getting patronized by Mamata Banerjee. Not that.
No, but when someone who is an insider of the party, sir, when we're seeing rebellions within the TMC, there is reason to worry, isn't there? There is reason to worry. Shubhendu Adhikari has written a detailed letter where he says that, this party is not anyone's fiefdom. It's not based on one individual. People who were part of the party, who built it, are being humiliated and sidelined. One person's nephew is being promoted.
I am very sorry to say that this was his realization after enjoying the power for 4.5 years. This was his realization after his entire family got all sort of advantages from the party and from the government, and this was his realization after 4.5 years. I don't know what the reason is. I don't know how he became scared. It might be that he has been frightened. It might be that he has been threatened, because BJP is the master of horse trading. BJP is the master of threatening the other
so
political
you're saying
leaders.
he's been lured?
BJP
You're saying
is
he's
the
been
master
lured
of
with threats or with money?
BJP is the master of agencies. I don't know what has taken place.
Please ask Mr. Sen. Please ask Mr. Sen to confirm whether he was lured or whether he's threatened. And if Mr. Sen thinks that he was threatened, then let me ask him, why does he think so? What was wrong, which according to him, Mr. Suvendu Adhikari had done, so that he needs to be threatened? And if he knows that he had done something wrong, why did they keep him in the party for 4.5 years? Why didn't they take any action against him then? What does that show? What does that prove? Apart from that, see, I just give an answer because he started by saying the honest Abhishek Banerjee. So I just gave an answer where I said that half of the property in those streets belongs to Abhishek Banerjee, but he has no answer to that. When I said that half of the properties are registered in the name of Mamata Banerjee's brothers, he had no answer to that, because whatever I am saying is the truth.
Dr. Sen, your response?
I accept your challenge. I accept your challenge. You just make a commitment. If you cannot prove this before the media, you will resign from the post you are holding, and same to me also. But I can show you the paper, I can show you the document, how the inflation took place in the income of the Amit Shah's son. So don't try to attack below the belt. My question is, if Mr. Adhikari is a good one, why your entire BJP party was after him?
One second, we're going back to the bickering. Just hold on, please. One second. I promised to take this question, so I'm taking it across. Priyanka, respond to what Dr. Sen said, that the BJP has no right to talk about dynasty politics. The BJP has no right to talk about family rule.
See, when we are discussing Bengal here and I am representing Bengal, that is why I am speaking about Bengal, right? And when I am speaking about Bengal, none of the person in Bengal who are BJP leaders have their son or daughters enjoying power here in Bengal, right? First of all, he was speaking about Amit Shah's son. So let me tell him that Amit Shah's son is not doing politics, nor is he holding any political post, nor is he being given a ticket to contest an election like Mamata Banerjee gave to Abhishek Banerjee to contest. Suvendu Adhikari, after so much of experience, he did not take a parachute to land into politics. After working so hard, he was the president of the Yuva Morcha, the youth wing, but he was replaced by Abhishek Banerjee. What was the quality of Abhishek Banerjee when he was replaced? Tell me. So tell him not to deny that communism does exist in TMC. See, Mamata Banerjee wanted to abdicate the throne in favor of Mr. Abhishek Banerjee. That is where the entire problem started. Now he's saying that people who are quitting his party are bad-mouthing the party. I question him. Jitendra Tiwari wrote a letter, which is also there in the media, sir. I hope you have read the letter. In that letter, he mentioned that Mamata Banerjee and the Trinamool is obstructing the development of Asansol. The letter is very well there. Then again, next day he went back to TMC.
Okay.
So
I'm running out of time. Priyanka, you've put forth these charges. I want to give an opportunity to Dr. Sen to also respond to this.
I just want to know whether my colleague is ready to withdraw her statement, or she is ready to prove before the camera, before the media, that half of the land of Kaligat belongs to Abhishek Banerjee. Either she has to prove or she has to withdraw. Either she has to prove or she has to withdraw, or she has to accept that she has to lie.
I accept your challenge.
Come again. Either you have to prove or you have to
Okay, both of you. All right. Dr. Shantanu Sen, Priyanka.
Please go ahead with the defamation.
Okay, I have run out of time, but it's clear that the BJP and the TMC here are completely fighting it out over a slew of issues, particularly over this attack over family and dynasty politics. Dr. Shantanu Sen, Priyanka Tibrewal, thank you for joining us on this broadcast.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.